Did you forget your phone number and you want to pin down the iPhone, or you have more than one SIM or SIM card on your phone and you want to know each number of the SIM card? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So first of all, go ahead to your settings, and then basically go ahead to the general, and then go ahead to click the first option, about, and you're gonna be able right here to see your phone model and everything, and basically you're gonna be able to see your SIM card, right? If you want to see your phone number, go ahead and scroll a little bit down, right, to the apps, and basically scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down till you find the phone. Go ahead to your phone, and then basically you're gonna see right here my number, and you're gonna see this is your phone number saved automatically. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the